Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix network error has occurred on Google Sheets. On Google support page it says that Google Sheets team is aware of the issue and actively working on a fix, but we can do some workarounds as well. So the first thing what I suggest to do here on phone, you need to go to settings and then go to if you're on iPhone, you need to go to general, then iPhone storage, and then you need to find Google Sheet. And then you just need to press upload app. Wait for a couple of seconds until it uploads, and then reinstall the app here. Or if you're on Android, you can clear cache on this page as well, right? Then another thing what I suggest to do here is to press on the three dots on your file as well, and then you just need to copy the link, right? And then you need to just go to browser, and on browser you just need to paste that particular link, and then on web browser here you can as you can see here edit some stuff. Of course it will be not convenient, but it is what it is. If there is no other option, you can do here. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.